Hey guys, I'm Marsudha and today I will tell you 5 most beautiful and most high-rated cafe in Haldwani. So the important thing is that I will tell you about those cafes which I personally visited and I love it. So let's get in the video. First cafe that is my personally favorite, all-time favorite in Pole Haldwani is Pots and Stone. Oh my god, here aesthetic vibe and here peace. So much peaceful cafe it is. And here food is 10 on 10. If you are Haldwani, so I suggest you to must visit this cafe and must try here coffee. Yeah, it's a quite peaceful cafe. An address I will mention on the screen, so you will see here. So our next cafe, Jungle Fiesta, that is one of the best, most beautiful cafe in Haldwani. So it's like a family restaurant and you can celebrate here birthday parties or any parties. It is best for it. If you want really aesthetic life, so you can definitely go here and visit it. Third cafe is Billionaire that I suggest you, and it is also the first club in the Haldwani. If you wanna try something new or you are with your friends, so you can definitely visit here. And the most important thing is that you have to pay no entry fees like other clubs. So yeah, it is a quite impressive cafe, you can say, and here food is also very good. Yeah, fourth cafe is Open House, which is quite impressive, and this is also suitable for clubbing and vibing with your friends. And here food is also 10 on 10. I personally visited this cafe and I loved it. And this is an open roof cafe basically, so yeah, you can visit also here. So the last but not least, fifth cafe is that 0 Degree, where I sit right now and making this video. So you can visit here with your friends, with your family, and the food is also very good. And if you come here, so I suggest you to try pizza. So yeah, that is all for today. I suggest you 5 more beautiful cafe in Haldwani. Till then, you visited them and let me know in my comment sections. So if you liked this video, if this video is helpful to you, give thumbs up and do subscribe my channel.